Ryan from RightBlogger here, and in this video I want to show you a brand new feature we just shipped inside of most of the tools inside RightBlogger. It's the creativity slider. This new slider lets you adjust the creativity level of the content you create using RightBlogger. Lower values make the output more predictable and repetitive, while higher values add more randomness and flair. Right in the middle, that's going to use the value that we think works best for each individual tool that you're using. And the important thing here is that this creativity slider will have no bearing on the accuracy or other factors involved in creating the content in your creations. Let's look at a couple examples so I can show you the difference between least creative, most creative, and right in the middle content. If I want to generate a paragraph of copy based on this single sentence about waking up early to start a hike, I would type it into the paragraph tool. And right here down below on the creativity slider, this is where I'll slide this around. And again, we'll be right here in the middle is where we'll start, standard creativity, and then we can slide this all the way up to the most creative. Now let's see what we get. And here we go. We can see in this example of most creative, we get content that talks about enjoying the peace and mourning of nature. Now, what I'm expecting we'll find with something that's on the least creative side is going to be less descriptive and a little more straight to the point. So now let's run the example showing the least creative option. We'll just go ahead and drag the slider all the way down to least creative and then click generate using the exact same sentence and prompt here. And so you can see with this output that the first sentence of this is almost verbatim what I put into the topic field above. Now, the previous example that was the most creative got a lot more creative with the way that it approached this answer. However, it still captures the sentiment of what I had in mind here. And finally, let's run our same example using just the standard setting that all of the tools are at inside RightBlogger. This one's a pretty even balance of that more direct, straight to the point answer and something that does still have some creativity woven into it. So over to you to go and enjoy using this creativity slider across most of the tools inside RightBlogger. Have fun.